Hello guys, it's Lucky75 from Hardware Heaven channel, and today I want to show you my new toy. A lot of people told me in my channel that I have bad cable management, so I told them that with my next upgrade I will improve that a little. So that is my new toy. That actually is Logitech Performance MX900, a new Bluetooth keyboard and mouse combo. So let's see what we have inside that beautiful box. It's very nice, huge box. So I think it should be promising with a good quality products inside. Let's see. Let's open here and there. So it's very nice solid box. And we have another black one. Ooh, nice. So what we have here, it's very good and solid keyboard with English QWERTY key management, and also a nice black mouse and Bluetooth dongle here, the most important part. Okay, what's more we have inside the box? That is the keyboard. Very nice, very beautiful documentation with the pictures inside. So it should be very easy to start initial configuration. We have a warranty card which is huge with a lot of languages. Nice. And one more, it's appointment for the batteries. Very good. What more we have here? Here is the mouse. Okay, MX Master. Nice, with 3 channels management. It's a little heavy, but this should sound promising. What's more we have here? We have 2 cables, USB cable, also we have an USB extender. Nice. So that's all for today. I hope you like this video. If the case is like that, subscribe to my channel and press the like button. Have a great day. Bye bye.